This conference will now.
Okay, very good afternoon and a warm welcome to the student participants of second year A and second year B. We are now assembled in this class for sixth session of electromagnetic fields. We are now in the track of completing our coordinate systems. So yesterday we have started coordinate systems and we have seen some formula. As I said, there are two type or model of problems that may be asked from coordinate system. One is like how to transform a point, a three coordinate point from one system to the other. That is first model. Second model, a vector will be given to us and we may be asked to transform the given vector as such from one system to the other system. So these are the two varieties or two models of problems that may be asked in the examination. Okay, that you should know. So first, you should understand what is the necessity or what is the need for learning this coordinate system. So coordinate system is a very important one uh, that is used to understand or to know. For example, if I am pointing a particular point in space, right? Space is a three-dimensional geometry, we know already. So if I am going to place something in the space, okay. So if I want to know the dimension where that particular thing has been placed, okay. So for knowing that particular coordinate, okay, that particular dimension of in which place that particular thing has been placed, this particular coordinate system plays a very important role because x-axis, y-axis, and z-axis. So you have to visualize three-dimensional picture. Then you can understand the importance of coordinate system. And next, what we have seen yesterday is the different types of coordinate system. So there are three types of coordinate system. Number one, it is rectangular or Cartesian system. Number two, it is said to be cylindrical system. And number three, it is going to be a spherical system. And I hope you might have gone through the mobile app, which you have downloaded in the mobile or laptop to understand the the basic of coordinate systems and how we have written the formulae like differential length, differential surface, or differential area, and differential volume for all the three varieties of coordinate systems. And yesterday we have seen also what is the formulae list to convert or for the first model for transforming a point, okay, from one system to other system. What are all the different formulae that are available that we have seen yesterday? And I hope you might have copied it. And yesterday at the end, well, we have solved the problems. Actually, that was a small problem because you said like the video is not clear, board is blurred, audio is breaking. So everything due to some network issue has been taken place, and today I think it was corrected. Okay, you might be getting my voice without any break, and you can see the video also very correctly because yesterday there was some network issue that I know. That's why I said like tomorrow we will continue because it was end actually yesterday while that problem has occurred. Okay, so another important thing I want to convey in the class is that see time duration for your attendance will also be taken care. So just coming in, going out will not give you attendance. Please understand. Yesterday, I think from ECA section, Arun Kumar, he has attended for 14 minutes. The entire class. Entire class has been done for 68 or 69 minutes. He was present for 14 minutes only. So I have marked him absent yesterday. Okay, Arun Kumar has been marked absent yesterday. In the same way, Chandramouli, he has attended only 8 minutes or 12 minutes. Okay, so I have marked Chandramouli also absent yesterday. So please keep this particular point in mind. Time also has been recorded here in this particular app. So which time you are entering, which time you are leaving, everything is known to me very well. Okay. So please understand and be present for the entire session. Okay. After I said thank you, then you can leave the session. Right. Before that, if you leave, definitely it will record the time at which you are leaving the class. Okay, please understand this. Don't just like that you are coming in and going out of the night. Will definitely it will mark the timing and it will give it to me. Okay, please understand this and be present actively. Okay. With this particular small point I want to convey, let us share the PPT for today. Okay, it is here. Yeah, Mr. Kamaleshwaran, can you switch, can you turn off your video? Yeah, thank you. Whether the PPT is visible?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Yes,
Thank
sir.
you, Harshaprada. Thank you so much. Thank
Yes,
you.
sir.
So today we are going to see again the continuation of coordinate system. Agenda for today, it looks like this. Revision of the previous class, coordinate system. That's what we have done till revision of the previous class. We have seen coordinate systems and transformations we will enter into directly. Then problems. As far as course outcomes, COs are concerned, we are in unit number 1. So CO1 we have to memorize. It is understanding of fundamental electromagnetic laws and concepts, which is coming under K2 level of Bloom taxonomy. So CO1 is understanding of fundamental electromagnetic laws and concepts. Okay. So this is what we have done yesterday. We have solved the second problem. Any doubt anybody has got in that second problem? And what happened to your homework problems? So some of you have submitted. So which problem you want me to work out of this? Fourth problem, I will be telling you the idea. You can take that also as homework. Which problem you want me to solve? Haripriya B, teach again, sir. Okay. Second problem again, Pavitra, yes.
Yesterday, the board also not clear, sir, and your voice also it's not audible, sir.
Okay.
And we couldn't understand the sum also, so only we didn't work out the homework problem, sir.
Okay, fine, no issues. Okay, I'll come to the PPT later then. First, we will solve the second problem. Okay, after that, I'll share the PPT because you're having some homeworks here. That's why. Okay, good. I'll turn on the video. First, we will solve it. Yeah, is the board visible? Is the board visible clearly? Any problems
Visible,
with the board? Okay, good. Thank you. So it is U19 EC 204 EMF. So I will take again second problem. Can anyone tell or read out the problem?
So transform the cylindrical coordinates 1, 45 degree,
Yeah.
2 into spherical and Cartesian coordinates, sir.
Okay, thank you so much. So 1 comma 45 degree comma 2 is the actual question it is given. So if nothing is given also you can understand, because see, if all the values that are given in the problem are numbers like this, for example 2 comma 4 comma 5, then it belongs to what category, what type of coordinate system? இந்த மாதிரி மூணுமே நம்பரா இருந்துச்சுன்னா இது என்ன
Cartesian, sir.
டைப்ங்க?
Cartesian, sir.
என்னமா? Cartesian. So we have to take first one as x, second one as y, and the third one as z. Yeah. Okay. In the system, if I am having, for example, one angle and two numerals, then what type of system it is? It is a cylindrical system. Yes,
Cylindrical.
Merlin. So we have to assume like the first value is rho, second one is phi, third one is z. If I am having two angles, I am having a number like this 5 comma 30 degree comma 60 degree, two angles and one numeral, it is said to be a spherical system. So first value is r, second one is theta, third is phi. In this way we have to assume always. So if the name is not given, then also we should be in a position to identify what type of system it is. Okay. So now in this particular problem, it is given directly that it is a cylindrical system, and the points are also given like 1 of 45 degree comma 2. That means it is very obvious that rho, phi, and z are given. Okay. So what I am going to do first is see whether or either to convert or to transform the given cylindrical system into spherical system or Cartesian system, whatever it is, we have to go for Cartesian system, because we don't have any direct method to transform the given cylindrical into spherical system. We have already that. We have to use Cartesian system as the intermediator. By using Cartesian system only, we can transform into the third system. Okay. Now I'm going to find the Cartesian system. That is, we are trying to find the Cartesian system coordinates are x, y, and z. So this is what we are doing first, to find x comma y comma z. Okay. Can anyone tell the formula how to find the x? For a list I have given the PPT. Okay. I think I have written, copied it. What is the formula for finding x? Cylindrical system is given. We have to transform into
The
Cartesian system. What is the formula?
The rho
X,
cos
it
phi,
is
sir.
rho cos phi. Very good. Okay. So rho value here it is 1. Cos phi value is 45. So what is the value for cos 45?
1 by root 2.
Cos 45 is 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2 means what is the value? If you do it in calculator, you can get that. What is the value? 1 by root 2 or 1 by 1.414 is how much? So calculator is required. Don't forget. So its value is 0.707. If you calculate it, you get it. In the same way, if I am trying to find y, what is the formula for y is equal to rho sine phi. So again 1 into sine 45. Again, what is sine 45? Sine 45 also will give the same result, 1 by root 2. You may write 1 by root 2. So 1 by root 2 is again 0.707. What about z in the formula? Z is equal to z itself. Okay. So its value is 2 as it is. Whatever value given, that will be given as such. So now the equivalent value or the transformed answer for this particular one in terms of Cartesian it is. So I want to write it as x comma y comma z. So x will be 0.707, y is also 0.707, and z is 2. So this is one part of the answer. Do you understand what I mean now? Using this point only, we are going to get the spherical coordinates next. Is it okay? So one part of the answer is what? We have transformed the given cylindrical system into Cartesian system. Next, I am going to use this Cartesian system as the intermediator, and I am going to find r, theta, and phi. This is what is our task next. Right. Have you all noted this? Shall I erase?
Yes, sir. Noted, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Thank you. எழுதி வச்சுக்கோங்க. Very simple thing. Very have you copy because we are going to work out with the sample problems, not all the problems. So now we are going to trying to find spherical coordinates r, theta, and phi. What is the formula for to find r? Can anyone tell what is the formula for r?
X square
X,
plus
y,
y square
z
plus
is
z
no.
square.
Yeah, good, Anjali. Thank you. So x square plus y square plus z square root. Am I right? So now you know the values of x, y, z. So what will happen, ma? So x is nothing but 0.707 square plus another 707 square plus 2 square the whole root. So how much is the value of this? If you do it in your calculator, you can get it. So 0.707 square plus 0.707 square plus 2 square is 4. If I take root for this, I think how much you're getting, ma? I got an answer. How much you got? So its value is root 5. Root 5 is how much? Can anyone tell? Root 5? 2.236. Okay. Okay. Next, how to find theta? What is the formula to find theta? What is the formula to find theta?
Sir, cos inverse of z by r, sir.
Cos inverse of z divided by r. Okay. So what is z? Z is known to be 2. What is r? R ipada kandupidichom. It is 2.236. Or I can put it as root 5 itself, no issues. So what is my theta? So this is my r value. How much will be my theta? We have to definitely go for calculator. Yeah. So 2 divided by 2.236. For this, I have to take cos inverse. So the value is 26.56 degree. Please check where you are getting this answer. Okay. In the same way, I am going to find phi. Phi, the formula is tan inverse y by x. So tan inverse y is how much? 0.707. This is also 0.07. So obviously my phi value is tan inverse of 45. Tan inverse of 45 is how much? So tan inverse of 1. Tan inverse of 1 is how much? 45 degrees. That's all. So now we have got the result as r value is 2.236. The angle is 26.56 and phi value is 45 degree. That's all. Any doubt in this now?
No doubt, sir.
Okay. So here it is a calculation part. So the values you are going to substitute in the formula and you are going to calculate and get the result. That's all. Okay. So all the combinations you have to understand, like Cartesian to cylindrical, Cartesian to spherical, cylindrical to Cartesian, cylindrical to spherical. Then spherical to Cartesian, spherical to cylindrical. All these 6 transformations you should know. Now I will give the next problem's hint also. Like in 4th problem, distance has been asked. Am I right? Anybody have any point how to find distance? So what is the formula for finding distance between 2 points?
Sir, root of h2 minus h1 the whole square, that formula.
Yeah, that's it. That's the formula. Very good, Divya. So the formula for distance is x2 can write anything, no issues. X2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square plus z2 minus z1 the whole square, the whole root. The formula to find the distance b. Or anyhow we are going to square it, இல்லையா? அதனால formula also will be giving the same result. x1 minus x2 the whole square plus y1 minus y2 the whole square plus z1 minus z2 the whole square, whole root will also give the same result. So both are correct. Why? Because we are going to square it anyhow. Minus 1 the whole square is plus 1. Yeah, no issues. We can use either 2 minus 1 or 1 minus 2. Both are same. Can you see the formula for distance? Distance. Okay. Now in the 4th problem, a sample only I have given it. 2 points are given in spherical system. அப்ப எப்படி distance கண்டுபிடிக்கிறது? யாராவது சொல்லுங்க பார்க்கலாம். If you don't know the correct answer, no issues. Just try it. 2 spherical numbers are given to you. Okay, you have to find the distance between those 2 spherical numbers. How to do it?
Sir, first convert into Cartesian and apply the formula, sir.
Yeah, that's it, Bharani Nagalakshmi. Thank you. Bharani Nagalakshmi, what she said is correct. You have to transform the given system, spherical numbers, into Cartesian. Both the numbers you try to convert. So you will get x1, y1, z1 for the first number, then x2, y2, z2 for the second part. Okay, so then you try to apply this particular formula so that you can get the answer for distance. That's all. You got the point what I'm telling? Any doubts now? Any doubts? Yes, Bhuvaneshwari, any doubts you are having? Okay, Merlin, Anita, she has no doubts.
No doubt.
Aishwarya has got no doubts. Okay. Clear. No doubts. Okay. Now shall we move to the PPT? Any further doubts you're having, you can ask me. If you are having some 3 to 4 problems as homework today. Okay. So all the formulas are known to you, right? Formulas எல்லாம் தெரியும் இல்லைங்களா? திரும்ப ஒரு டைம் சொல்லணுமா?
Yes, sir.
சொல்லணுமா? No, not required. Okay, Aishwarya. Then I'll close the video now. We will get back to the PPT. Okay. See, now you can take these problems as homework. See, this particular distance problem also you can take it as homework. It is very simple. Okay. This also you take it as a homework. First problem, Cartesian system is given. You are asked to convert them into cylindrical and spherical. By using the formula for rho, phi and z, we can get cylindrical. What is the formula? Can anyone tell orally? எப்படி cylindrical கண்டுபிடிப்பீங்க? X, Y, Z தெரியும். Rho என்னங்க?
Root
Is
of
the
x
formula
square.
for finding? Yeah, root of x square plus y square. இல்லையா? Okay. Yeah, Merlin, you continue. What is the formula to find phi?
It is tan inverse of y by x.
What about z?
It is as it is given in the question.
Okay, is it equal to z? Okay,
Is
very
it?
good, Merlin. So,
Thank you, sir.
so to get cylindrical system from Cartesian system, this set of formula we have to use. Rho is equal to x square plus y square the whole root. Phi is equal to tan inverse of y by x. Z is equal to z itself. No issues. Okay. Okay. Next person can come and tell the formula for getting spherical system from Cartesian system.
So R is equal to root of x square plus y square plus z square, sir.
Okay, Divya. Then theta.
Theta is equal to cos inverse of z by r, sir.
Z by r. Then phi.
Phi is equal to tan inverse of y by x, sir.
Y by x. Very good, Divya. So the formula list, what Divya has given now is to get the spherical system, that is r, theta, and phi, we are going to calculate from the given x, y, z Cartesian systems. That is r is equal to x square plus y square plus z square the whole root. Then theta is equal to cos inverse of z by r, and finally phi is equal to tan inverse of y by x. Okay. Okay, good. Now comes the reverse one. Next person, you can anybody can come and tell the formula for converting cylindrical to Cartesian. The reverse one, cylindrical to Cartesian. That means rho, phi, z are given to us. We have to find x, y, z. Any volunteer?
X equal to rho cos phi, y equal to rho sin pi, z equal to as it is z.
Okay, okay, Aparna, thank you so much. So what Aparna has told us to convert the given cylindrical system rho, phi, and z into Cartesian system x, y, z. So x is equal to rho cos phi, then y is equal to rho sin phi, z is equal to z as such. Okay. Then the final one, final volunteer, you can come and tell the formula for converting spherical system into Cartesian system.
X equal to r sin.
X is equal
X
to
equal to r sin theta cos phi, y equal to r sin theta sin pi, then z equal to r cos theta, sir.
very good, Sivikarna, excellent. So what Sivikarna is told now is the formula to convert the given spherical system into Cartesian system. That means r comma theta comma phi is known, is given to us. We have to calculate x, y, that means the formula we have to use is like x is equal to r sin theta cos phi, y is equal to r sin theta sin phi, and z is equal to r cos theta. So if we use these formulas, we can convert the given spherical system into Cartesian system. So cylindrical to spherical, as we know already, cylindrical to spherical cannot be done directly, so we have to use Cartesian system as the intermediate. சரியா? so cylindrical கார்ட்டீசியனுக்கு மாத்திட்டு then Cartesian திரும்ப spherical மாத்திக்கலாம். அதே மாதிரி spherical to cylindrical directly we don't have any formula. Try to convert the given spherical system into Cartesian system, then you try to convert the obtained Cartesian system into cylindrical system. So that is what is the method available. Then we have seen in addition the formula for distance. So it is we have seen in the board now only. So whatever may be the system given, for example, two cylindrical points or even combinational points are also can be given. Point A வந்து cylindrical point ஆகும், point B வந்து spherical point ஆகும் கொடுத்துருவாங்க. அதோட distance என்னன்னு கேட்பாங்க. You should not blink. Method is you try to convert cylindrical point into Cartesian, then spherical point into Cartesian. So two Cartesian systems are obtained now, right? So now you apply the distance formula, because the distance formula is available to with me, I mean with us for Cartesian systems. So try to convert into Cartesian and apply the distance formula as such. Is it okay? Okay. See, next
Yes,
two
sir.
problems are also, yeah, next two problems also. இந்த ப்ராப்ளம்ல ஏதாவது டவுட் வருமான்னு பாருங்க. 5 and 6ல இதுவும் ஹோம்வொர்க் தான். இன்னைக்கு ஒரு 5 சம் ஹோம்வொர்க் வருது. Find the distance from points A. என்னங்க வித்தியாசமா ஏதோ பையெல்லாம் யூஸ் பண்ணிருக்காங்க, என்னது இது?
Sir, 22/7, sir, or 3.14, sir.
We should not put Merlin, Anita, Prasant, and what Parani Nagalakshmi is telling is correct. Is wrong actually. See, you should not put 45 degree. Which one is 45 degree, Prasant? You are giving some 45 degree. Which one is 45? Point B. Very good. Have you got it, Prasant? How it is 45? 180/4. Very good. See, actually, very good, Prasant. Thank you. See, the point here is angle. Angle representation can be done in two ways. Number one, angle can be given in terms of degrees. Okay. Another one, it can be also given in terms of radians. There is two numbers and one angle. Okay. Two numbers and one angle means it becomes a cylindrical system. Okay, Jivanandam? Okay, good. So we have to find the distance between these 2 points. Is it okay? But my question is, what is the angle given here? So radian is the, in terms of radians, the angle has been mentioned here. You have to convert the given radian into degrees. Okay. You should not put 3.14 or 22/7 in the place of 5. As Merlin Anita tells her, you should not put 3.14 in the place of 5. You have to convert these radians into degrees. Radians எப்படி டிகிரிக்கு மாத்துவீங்க? யாருக்காவது ஐடியா இருக்கா? இதுதான் நீங்க மேத்ஸ்ல படிச்சதா, எதுவுமே புதுசு இல்ல. How will you convert radians into degrees? (180/5). Okay. That means நான் உங்களுக்கு ரொம்ப சிம்பிளா ஒன்று சொல்லி தரேங்க. ரேடியனை வந்து நீங்க டிகிரியா மாத்தணும் அப்படின்னா யூ டூ ஒன் திங். பை இருக்கு இல்லையா, அந்த இடத்துல வந்து 180 டிகிரி போட்டுக்கோங்க, அவ்வளவுதான். You can get the corresponding degree. For example, pi 4 இருக்கு இல்லையா, in the place of pi you put 180. So as Prasant told, 180/4. So pi க்கு பதிலா 180 போட்டீங்கன்னா ஆங்கிள் கிடைக்கும். So pi/4 is 45 degree. Point B வந்து ஒண்ணும் இல்ல, 4, 45 degree, 6. In the same way, point A என்ன கிடைக்கும்? 2, yeah, Prashant, 120 degree. 2 into 180/3. So 2 into 60 is 120 degree. I hope you can understand what I tell, what I am telling. Okay. In the place of pi, you try to put 180 and try to manipulate. You can get the corresponding degree. அப்படினா நீங்க டிஸ்டன்ஸை கண்டுபிடிச்சலாம், கரெக்ட்டுங்களா? So point A வந்து இப்போ 2, 120 degree, 0. Point B வந்து 4, 45 degree, 6. For these 2 points, we have to find the distance. Both are in cylindrical coordinates. So in the cylindrical model Cartesian மாத்தணும். After that, we try to use the distance formula. That's all. Look at the 6th problem. Given points A வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா 2, 3, -1, B வந்து 4, -50, 2, -50 degree, 2. So point A is in which coordinate system? Point B is in which coordinate system? Can anyone tell?
Point A Cartesian.
Point A is in
Point
Cartesian
A
form,
is
sir.
in Cartesian system. Point B?
Cylindrical.
It is in cylindrical, sir.
Very good, very good. So B is cylindrical and A is Cartesian. Now 3 questions has been asked to us. What are the 3 questions? We have to find distance there, but what are the questions, sir? Subdivision A is point A to origin. Origin means what are the points?
So 0,
0,
0, 0, 0, sir.
0,
0, 0, 0. Out. Okay, that means point A we are having in our hand. Another point is 0, 0, 0. For this one, we have to find the distance. In the same way, second subdivision B to origin. Point B, we got it now in Cartesian. Origin means 0, 0, 0. Between these 2 points, we have to find the distance. Then subdivision C is from point A to point B. That means 2 Cartesian systems we have got in our hand. For these 2 points, we have to find the distance. இது எல்லாமே பண்ணிரலாமா? ஈஸியா? இந்த 5 சமமே பண்ணிரலாமா? ஏதாவது டவுட் இருக்கா?
No doubt, sir.
No doubts. Okay. Okay. Shall I move to the next slide?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we will move on to transformation of a vector. Second model available in coordinate system. நான் ஏற்கனவே சொன்ன மாதிரி பாத்தீங்கன்னா பாயிண்ட் டிரான்ஸ்ஃபர்மேஷன் பார்த்துட்டோம். இப்போ நம்ம பார்க்க போறது வந்து வெக்டர் எப்படி டிரான்ஸ்ஃபார்ம் பண்றது அப்படிங்கிறது. நீங்க இந்த ஃபார்முலா லிஸ்ட் அப்படியே நோட் பண்ணிக்கீங்க. நான் உங்களுக்கு இது ஈஸியா மேட்ரிக்ஸ்ல சொல்லித்தரேன். போர்டுக்கு வரும்போது நான் சொல்லித்தரேன், உங்களுக்கு ஈஸியா புரியும். So now Cartesian vector is given to us and we have to transform the given Cartesian into cylindrical அப்படின்னா. So அதே நோட்டேஷன் தான் யூஸ் பண்ணிருக்கேன் நம்ம ஈஸினஸ்க்காக. Ax, Ay, Az are given to us. We have to find A rho, A phi, Az. If that is the case, A rho it is equal to Ax cos phi plus Ay sin phi. A phi is equal to minus Ax sin phi plus Ay cos phi. Az is equal to Az itself. You kindly make a note of these formulas set from the PPT. I will tell you in matrix form how we can do it very easily. எழுதிட்டீங்களா ஃபார்முலாவை? இது வந்து for transforming the vector Cartesian vector into cylindrical vector. Okay, I will make a move to this slide. Next is cylindrical to Cartesian. The reverse one. Cylindrical கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. A rho, A phi, Az is given. We have to transform into Ax, Ay, Az means what we have to do. These are the formulas. Ax is equal to A rho cos phi minus A phi sin phi. Ay is equal to A rho sin phi plus A phi cos phi. Az is equal to Az itself. Yes, sir. Have you written? Sir, I make a move. Okay. Next one, transformation of a vector from Cartesian into spherical system. அப்படின்னா Ax, Ay, Az are given to us. We have to find Ar, A theta A phi. Yes, Pavitra, what happened? Any problem? Yes, Pavitra, yes. Previous slide, 1 minute. Oh, no issues. I moved it, Pavitra. You can make it. Once you have completed, you please intimate me so that I can make a move. Okay, done. Cartesian to spherical. Ax, Ay, Az are given, and we have to find Ar, A theta, A phi. So the formulas are Ar is equal to Ax sin theta cos phi plus Ay sin theta sin phi plus Az cos theta. A theta is equal to Ax cos theta cos phi plus Ay cos theta sin phi minus Az sin theta. Then A phi is equal to minus Ax sin theta plus minus Ax sin phi plus Ay cos phi. Okay, note it down. Once I have completed, you please intimate me. Completed. Everybody have noted down? No issues? Completed. Okay, I'll make a move. Spherical to Cartesian. That means Ar, A theta, A phi are given to us. We have to find Ax, Ay, Az. Means these are the formulae. Ax is equal to Ar sin theta cos phi. Theta and phi correcta careful போடணும். Formula correcta தெரியணும். நீங்க தீட்டாவையும் phi-யும் மாத்தி போட்டீங்கன்னா answer may go wrong. சரியா? So Ax is equal to Ar sin theta cos phi plus A theta cos phi plus A phi sin phi. Ay is equal to Ar sin theta sin phi plus A theta cos theta sin phi plus A phi cos phi, and Az is equal to Ar cos theta minus A theta sin theta. Yes, Darun Prakash, you want to speak something? Okay, okay, Darun, no issues. Completed. Everybody has noted these problems, I mean formulae. Shall we move on to the problems now? Problems from vectors. Yes, Renuka Devi, we will make a move. Yes, Divya. Okay, next slide I'll go for. Yeah, try to take these two problems. Transform 4ax minus 2ay minus 4az at point A 2, 3, 5 into cylindrical coordinates. Both the problems you kindly make a note. ரெண்டுமே எழுதிக்கிங்க, நம்ம அப்புறம் போர்டுக்கு வந்துக்கலாம். Eighth problem is transform 4ax minus 2ay minus 4az, the same vector, at point A 1, 2, 3 into spherical coordinates. Have you noted these problems? சரி, டைம் 12:50 ஆச்சு. இதுல ஒரு ப்ராப்ளம் நான் போடுறேன். 8th ப்ராப்ளம் நீங்க ஹோம்ஒர்க்கா எடுத்துக்கோங்க. சரிங்களா? எப்படி பண்றதுன்னு பார்த்துட்டோம்னா போதும். இட்ஸ் நாட் a big issue, right? So, shall I close the PPT now? Okay. Okay, Amma, thank you. I will close it. We will come back to the board. தெரியுதா? நான் ஒரு ப்ராப்ளம் சொல்லி கொடுக்குறேன். அடுத்த கிளாஸ்ல வந்து I will write the form how to சரி, இல்லைன்னா முதல்ல இதை பார்த்தோம். Some will do it later. I will tell you how to write it in matrix form first. சரியா? So இப்போ first one, அதாவது Cartesian cylindrical system. Problems we will do it in the next class. I teach you for 5 minutes how to write it in matrix. Cartesian அப்படின்னா we know ax ay az கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. We have to write a rho a phi az. Yeah. இதை எப்படி எழுதலாம்னா a rho, I am writing it as a matrix now. Matrix formula என்ன ஒரு advantage அப்படின்னா matrix, if I write the value in matrix, you can remember it very easily. கரெக்ட்டுங்களா? அதனால மேட்ரிக்ஸ்ல எழுதுறேன். புரியுதான்? இதுல இருந்து தான் அந்த ஃபார்முலா ஆக்சுவலா டிரைவ் ஆயிருக்கு. cos phi sin phi 0 minus sin phi cos phi 0 0 0 1 is also a column matrix ax ay az. இந்த மேட்ரிக்ஸை நீங்க வந்து ஞாபகம் வச்சுக்கோங்க. Try to remember this particular matrix. ஈக்குவேஷன் எழுதுனீங்கன்னா ஈக்குவேஷன் எழுதலாம் இல்லையா? a rho என்ன வரும் ஈக்குவேஷன்? if I do matrix multiplication, what will happen? ax cos phi plus ay sin phi. What is the formula for a phi? Minus ax sin phi plus ay cos phi. What is the formula for az? Az is equal to az itself. இந்த ஃபார்முலா தான் நான் உங்களுக்கு கொடுத்துருக்கேன். கரெக்ட்டுங்களா? This formula only I have given it to you. இந்த ஃபார்முலாவை நீங்க இந்த மாதிரி படிச்சிட்டீங்கன்னா you can remember it very easily. இந்த ஃபார்முலாவை இப்படியே படிச்சீங்கன்னா கொஞ்சம் கஷ்டம். ஏதாவது ப்ராப்ளம் இருக்கா அதுல இப்படி படிக்கிறதுல? இது வந்து from Cartesian to cylindrical. ஓகே, இப்போ இதுலயே நீங்க இந்த ஒரு மேட்ரிக்ஸ் ஞாபகம் வச்சிட்டீங்கன்னா போதும். நீங்க இதுல இருந்தே வந்து cylindrical to Cartesian you can do it very easily with the matrix. என்ன பண்ணணும் இப்போ நான் cylindrical to Cartesian அப்படின்னா இதுதான் நான் கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். இது வந்து இந்த பக்கம் போயிடும் இல்லையா? சோ என்ன பண்ணா போதும் தெரியுமா? டிரான்ஸ்போஸ் பண்ணா போதும். இல்லைன்னா ஐ கேன் சே டிரான்ஸ்போஸை விட இன்வர்ஸ். இந்த நடுவுல 3x3 மேட்ரிக்ஸ் இருக்கு பாத்தீங்களா? இதை வந்து நீங்க இன்வர்ஸ் எடுத்தீங்கன்னா போதும், யூ கேன் கெட் தட் பர்டிகுலர் ஆன்சர். இன்வர்ஸ் எப்படி கண்டுபிடிக்கிறது மேத்ஸ்ல? வாட் இஸ் தி மேத்தமெட்டிக்கல் ஃபார்முலா டு ஃபைண்ட் இன்வர்ஸ் அப்படின்னா, இட் இஸ் 1 by that particular determinant into A transpose. கரெக்ட்டுங்களா? இந்த மேட்ரிக்ஸை டிரான்ஸ்போஸ் பண்ணணும் divided by determinant of A. இந்த மேட்ரிக்ஸோட டிட்டர்மினன்ட் என்ன வரும் பாருங்க. 1 எடுத்துட்டீங்கன்னா cos square phi plus sin square phi. What is cos square theta plus sin square theta? It becomes 1. அப்ப இந்த டிட்டர்மினன்ட் வந்து 1 ஆயிடுச்சு. அப்ப நீங்க டிரான்ஸ்போஸ் மட்டும் பண்ணீங்கன்னா போதும், you can get the answer. Okay. நானால என்ன பண்றேன் அப்படின்னு கேட்டீங்கன்னா, so I am going to write or get now the Cartesian matrix values. So எனக்கு இதான் கண்டுபிடிக்க போறேன். எனக்கு இது வேணும் அப்படின்னா இதை டிரான்ஸ்போஸ் பண்ணா போதும். What do you mean by the term transpose? Transpose எப்படி பண்ணுவீங்க? எப்படி ஒரு மேட்ரிக்ஸ் டிரான்ஸ்போஸ் எழுதுறது?
To change a row into column.
We have to write row as column and column as row. இல்லையா சிபிகண்ணா?
Yes sir.
Yeah. So transform row into column and column into row. நீங்க ஏதோ ஒண்ணு மாத்துனீங்கன்னா போதும், இன்னொரு அதுவே மாறிடும். பாருங்க, இந்த ரோவை வந்து நான் காலமா மாத்திட்டேன். அதே மாதிரி செகண்ட் ரோவை காலம் மாத்திட்டேன். தேர்ட் ரோவை காலமா மாத்திட்டேன். into A row, A5, A6. அவ்வளவுதான். இது வந்து என்னன்னு கேட்டீங்கன்னா A row, A5, AZ கொடுத்துறாங்க. We are trying to find the Cartesian system. If this is the task, then this is the matrix. நீங்க இதுல இருந்து ஃபார்முலா நீங்களே டிரைவ் பண்ணிக்கலாம். நம்ம ஆல்ரெடி எலிமினேஷன் கிடைக்கும். என்னன்னா AX is equal to A row cos phi minus phi sin phi. AY is equal to A row sin phi plus A phi cos phi. AZ equal to AZ. இதை நம்ம ஃபார்முலா மாதிரி முதல்ல எழுதிட்டோம். மேட்ரிக்ஸ் வந்து இப்படிதான் கண்டுபிடிக்கும். இப்ப நீங்க மேட்ரிக்ஸ படிக்கிறது ஈஸியா இருந்துச்சுன்னா மேட்ரிக்ஸ படிச்சுக்கலாம். இல்ல நான் வந்து டைரக்டா ஈக்குவேஷன் படிச்சுக்கிறேன் சார்னா ஓகே, உங்களுக்கு எது கன்வீனியன்ட்டோ நீங்க அந்த மாதிரி படிச்சுக்கலாம். இதே மாதிரி நீங்க வந்து ஸ்பெரிக்கலுக்கும் எழுதலாம். சரியா? ஸ்பெரிக்கலுக்கு எழுதுனீங்கன்னா என்ன ஆகும்னு பாருங்க. Spherical அப்படின்னா we are going to find A or A theta A. Right? So left hand side நான் எடுப்போம். இங்க திரும்ப மேட்ரிக்ஸ் தான் வரப்போகுது, no doubt. இந்த டிஸ்கஷனோட ஸ்டாப் பண்ணிடலாங்க. We will see the problems under vector transformation in the next class. Next class அதை பார்த்துட்டு we will move on to the next topic, divergence theorem. This also has to be erased. இங்க என்ன வேல்யூ வரும் அப்படின்னு நீங்க கேட்டீங்கன்னா, equation we have written already, right? So it becomes sin theta cos phi sin theta by 0. So this is not 0. This is cos theta. Then here cos theta cos phi cos theta sin phi sin theta minus sin theta. Then at the bottom minus sin phi cos phi and 1. 1 ல 0. ஓகே, இன்டு நமக்கு தெரிஞ்ச மேட்ரிக்ஸ் என்னங்க, நம்ம கண்டுபிடிக்கிறது theta and phi. கொடுத்த மேட்ரிக்ஸ் ax ay az. So this is the formula set. Okay, here also if you take the inverse, we can get the remaining thing. By taking inverse, I can find ax ay az. As inverse எடுத்தா transpose பண்ணா போதும். So அப்ப என்ன ஆகும், sin theta cos phi, இது வந்துட்டு cos theta cos phi. Here I get minus sin phi, and here it is sin theta sin phi. This is cos theta sin phi, and this is cos phi. This is cos theta minus sin theta 0, and here ar a theta a. So in matrix form, if I represent, I can do it very easy. Okay, this is just by taking inverse to get the opposite one. அதாவது spherical to Cartesian vector na இந்த ஃபார்முலா, இது வந்து Cartesian to spherical na இந்த ஃபார்முலா. சரியா? So this is how we have to do it in matrix. So இன்னைக்கு வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா 5 problems are given it as homework. I think try to complete and put it in our class, I mean EMF WhatsApp group. Then in the next class we will work out the vector transformation problems under this. Then we will move on to the next slide. Okay, any doubts you are having? Any doubts?
No, sir. Clear, sir.
Clear.
No, sir.
Okay, then we will close our session now. Thank you so much. We'll meet again on Saturday, 1st of all. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.